Once upon a time, Shri Krishna and Arjun went for a short stroll around the city. They saw a poor looking priest begging. Arjun felt pity at him and he gave him a bag full of 100 gold coins. The priest became very happy and thanked Arjun. He left for his home. On the way, he saw another person who needed help. The priest could have spared a coin or two to help that person. However, he chooses to ignore it. But on the way back to his home, one thief robbed him of his bag full of coins and ran away. The priest became dejected and went back again for begging. Next day again, when Arjun saw the same priest begging, then he was surprised that after getting a bag full of coins which can last a lifetime, the priest was still begging. He called the priest and asked him about the reason. The priest told him about the whole incident and Arjun again felt pity at him. So this time he gave him a diamond. The priest became very happy and left for home. He again saw someone who needed help, but he chose to ignore it. Upon reaching home, he safely put the diamond in an empty pot of water with a plan to cash it out later and live a wealthy life. His wife was not at home. He was very tired, so he decided to take a nap. In between, his wife came home and picked up that empty pot of water, walked toward the river close by, and filled up the water. She had not noticed the diamond in the pot. Upon arriving at the river, she put the whole pot into the running river water to fill it up. She filled up the pot, but the diamond was gone with the water flow. When the priest woke up, he went to see the pot and asked the wife about the diamond. She told him she had not noticed it and it must have been lost in the river. The priest could not believe his bad luck and again started begging. Again Arjun and Shri Krishna saw him begging and Arjun inquired about it. Arjun felt bad and started thinking if this priest will ever have a happy life. Shri Krishna gave that priest one coin, which was not even enough for buying a lunch or dinner for one person. Arjun asked Shri Krishna, Lord, I gave him a gold, coins and diamond, which could have given him a wealthy life. Yet it didn't help him. How will just one coin help this poor guy? Shri Krishna smiled and told Arjun to follow that priest and find out. On the way, the priest was thinking, that one coin Shri Krishna gave him. He can't even buy a lunch for one person. Why would he give so little? He saw a fisherman who was getting a fish out of his net. Fish was struggling. The priest felt pity at the fish. He thought that this one coin won't solve my problem. Why not I save that fish? He put the fish in his small pot of water which he always carried with him. The fish was struggling in a small pot of water, ended up throwing out a diamond from the mouth. The priest screamed with joy, I got it, I got it. At the same point, the thief who had robbed the priest's bag of 100 gold coins was passing through there. He thought that the priest recognized him and may get him punished. He got nervous and ran to the priest. He apologized to the priest and returned his bag full of 100 gold coins. The priest couldn't believe what just happened. Arjun saw all this and said, Oh Lord, now I understand your play. When you have enough to help others, don't let that chance go. Your good deeds will always be repaid to you. Hope you learned something from this beautiful story. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.